Hello, this is Shane, and in this video I'm going to go over a quick review of what I believe is one of the best GrooveFunnels bonus offers for the purchase of the Groove Lifetime 2022 launch deal. If you're looking for an in-depth review of the GrooveFunnels marketing platform, then I recommend the Groove-a-thon videos hosted by Mike Filsaime. It will give you one of the best and most thorough understandings of the platform capabilities. The drawback is that those videos were made over the course of a week, and they are fairly in-depth, so you may consider fast forwarding the videos. What we've put together are bonuses that will benefit just about anyone who decides to purchase the GrooveFunnels platform. There are basically two levels of bonuses that we're offering. One is for people who are upgrading from the Groove free platform to the Lifetime platform, or the Lifetime offer, and for those who have followed other affiliates' links to the Groove platform. The second level of bonus that we're offering is for those who have purchased the Groove platform specifically through our affiliate link without visiting other Groove affiliate links. The difference between these two is the amount of commission provided, as Groove splits that commission that they pay for people who have purchased the Groove platform between the first and the last affiliate links. The reason we have two separate bonus options is that there are actual hard costs associated with the bonuses we're offering. These are the bonuses that will actually help you promote and add value to your Groove funnel projects. So here's a quick summary of the bonuses that we're offering. I'll read through a few of the details, but I'll allow you, if you're interested, to follow the link in the description to read through the bonuses in a little bit more detail. The first bonus is bonus 1.1, which is video production. And this involves 3 product or service related videos. These are great, little 30 to 3-minute videos that can be used for digital entrepreneurs as an introduction to digital products. You can use them for e-commerce product reviews or introductions. You can use them as a local business owner to provide a quick summary of one of the or several of the services that you offer your clients or customers. You can use them as video ad, PPC related videos. You can use them as a blogger, as additional content to keep people on your page or on your article for longer periods of time. And you can use them as social updates. The second bonus is bonus 1.2, YouTube video channel optimization. And that is branding your YouTube channel with your logo as well as the banner. If you have a video that you're using from the first bonus, we can optimize it for a specific keyword and provide a playlist that is keyword optimized as well. The third bonus, which is bonus 1.3, is the creation of 10 Web 2.0 property accounts. And basically what this is a way for you to provide additional ways to drive traffic to your specific website properties, whether that's a video, whether that's a website, or a specific article. And you can use these for backlinks, for getting more information out and trying to drive traffic back to your specific offer. These are accounts that we'll create and hand them over to you for your use in however you would like to use them. Bonus 1.4 is a local business digital asset evaluation. For local businesses, there's 3 main areas that you want to optimize. That's local business website, your Google My Business website, and your Facebook business website or page. What we'll do is we'll go through and review each of those, provide you with a report of where those areas can be further optimized to help you rank at a higher level with the competition in your specific area for a specific keyword or niche. So those are all the level 1 bonuses. Follow the link in the video description. So the level 2 bonuses, of the level 2 bonuses, you get to choose one of these 2 bonuses. The first bonus is sales copy creation. If you've ever tried to write sales copy, it can be very challenging. What this bonus involves is the first draft. So we'll take all the information from your particular product, from the service, from whatever it is that you're selling, and create the initial copy. And that's usually the most difficult. Once you have that first copy, kind of go in and tweak it, but we'll do that initial draft for you. And that can be a video sales letter, It can be a high converting long-term sales letter, or it can be an email campaign up to 5 emails. The second bonus is the Omnipresent marketing campaign. It gives you the most bang for your buck because it hits so many different areas for driving traffic to your offers. And we're going to give you 2 of these campaigns for your product or service. Again, you can read through the details of it. It's basically taking your offer, your product, your service, and providing it to the masses in high converting or high traffic websites in different formats. That is YouTube and Vimeo videos that are uploaded to those sites. It's social posts, articles, audio clips, posts to high traffic authority blogs, and all of these areas blanket the internet based on certain keyword terms, and that drives traffic from those high authority websites back to your property, as well as provides high authority backlinks to your property if you're interested in the SEO aspect. So those are the bonuses that we're offering. Again, you can go ahead and follow the link in the page, get a little bit more detail regarding the bonuses that we're offering. If it feels like it's something that would be useful to you, definitely click the link, which is a little bit further at the end of each bonus offer, which will take you to the purchase page on the GrooveFunnels platform, in which you can read further in depth and go ahead and make that purchase. We will fulfill those bonuses for you. All right. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to be working with you soon.